Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a timer or a countdown clock to a video in CapCut. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool. Okay, so as you can see, we are in CapCut, and what we've got in our import window is we've got two things. So I've imported this stock footage here, and then you can see we have got our stopwatch here. So I just want to say thank you so much to YouTube user Himmel356, as this is where I got my stop clock from. So thank you very much, Himmel356. So what we do, if we then come back into CapCut, we're going to bring our stopwatch and we're going to layer it on top of our media. Now, as you can see, what we want to do is we want to blend that in. So we're going to come up and we're going to come to the basic tab, and then we're going to go to normal, give that a click. And then if you press screen, and then you can see that it has then blended in there. But obviously we're going to want to move it around. So if you then come up to mask, and if you press rectangle, what you can do is you can then sort of make that into a little rectangle. So just make sure that you kind of get it to your right size that you want, and then obviously you'll be able, okay, so we're going to leave it like that. So then if you then come back over to the basic tab, and then if you go down and do hard light, so there we go, we've then got our black background. And then what you want to do is you just want to move it down and to position it to where you want. So here we go, we just go just sort of have it in the corner, and then if you press play, and there we go, you can see that it is there. And then if you just make sure that you unclick off the box, and then obviously you've got nothing highlighting it, and then you can just position it to where you want. And that is how to add a timer countdown clock to a video in CapCut. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And we will catch you guys in the next one.